Welcome to our deep dive into Git branching and version control. Today, we'll explore how branches allow multiple developers to work on different features simultaneously without interfering with each other. Branching is one of Git's most powerful features, and understanding it is crucial for effective collaboration. These objectives form the foundation of effective version control. We'll start with the basics of branching and progressively move to more advanced concepts. By the end, you'll be comfortable creating branches, merging changes, and resolving any conflicts that arise. Think of this as learning to manage different timelines of your project. Think of branches as parallel universes for your code. Each branch represents a different version of your project, allowing you to work on features or fixes without affecting the main code base. The main branch, often called main or master, represents your production-ready code, while other branches are for development and experimentation. Different types of branches serve different purposes. The main branch should always contain stable, production-ready code. Feature branches are for developing new functionality, while bug fix branches are for quick repairs. Following this branching strategy helps maintain code quality and organization. These are the fundamental commands for working with branches. The checkout command is like a time machine, it switches your working directory to reflect the state of the selected branch. The B flag is a shortcut for creating and switching to a new branch in one command. Always check which branch you're on before making changes. A good branch naming convention helps team members understand the purpose of each branch at a glance. Use prefixes like feature slash, bugfix slash, or hotfix slash followed by a descriptive name. Keep names short but meaningful, and use hyphens or underscores for spaces. Consistent naming makes repository management much easier. Different merging strategies suit different situations. Fast-forward merges work when the main branch hasn't changed. Recursive merges preserve the full history but can make it complex. Squash merges are great for keeping history clean, especially for feature branches with many small commits. Choose the strategy that best fits your team's workflow. These commands give you control over how branches are merged. The NoFF flag forces a merge commit even when a fast forward is possible, which can be useful for tracking feature integrations. The squash option is great for cleaning up history, but use it thoughtfully as it discards individual commit messages. Merge conflicts aren't scary, they're just Git's way of asking for help in deciding which changes to keep. When you encounter conflicts, Git marks the conflicting sections in your files. Review each conflict, decide which changes to keep, or combine them, then mark the resolution using git add. Remember to test your code after resolving conflicts. Following these best practices will make your branching strategy more effective. Keep branches focused on single features or fixes. Regularly pull changes from main to avoid big conflicts later. Clean up by deleting merged branches. Always review code before merging, and test thoroughly after merges to catch any issues early. Different teams use different workflows. Git Flow is more structured and suits planned releases. GitHub Flow is simpler and works well for continuous deployment. Choose the workflow that matches your team's needs and release cycle. The key is to have a consistent process that everyone follows. Congratulations! You now understand the fundamentals of Git branching and version control. Remember that branching is a powerful tool that enables collaborative development. Start with simple workflows and gradually adopt more complex patterns as your team grows. Practice these concepts regularly, and don't be afraid to experiment in your own repositories.